native Australian budgerigar, commonly known as the budgie, can be found in suburban homes across the world. These delightful animals make outstanding pets and companions. In the wild, the budgie eats a variety of grasses and seeds. In captivity, they enjoy a diet of seeds complemented by fruit and vegetables. Tame budgies will often try whatever they see their human family eating. The budgie is an amazingly adaptive creature. This is shown in the ways that they can be trained to talk and obey commands with relative ease. Budgies by nature are very social creatures. They enjoy the company of their flock, whether that is other budgies, their adopted human families, or simply their own reflection. It is important when taming your pet budgie to remove things that could distract them from bonding with you. The body language of your pet budgie can be a key indicator of whether your pet is happy, sad or unwell. Just as a dog wags its tail when it is happy, a budgie will show happiness or excitement with a classic budgie dance. So there we have it. If you are considering a family pet, it's worth looking at the common budgie. They are simple to maintain, reasonably cheap to purchase, and a delight to